Hi guys, how's everyone doing? This is Pete. Today, I'm so excited to introduce you my new custom gaming PC. I call this the Ultimate Luffy. And this fun and powerful system is built in a small form factor NZXT H200 gaming case. And this system consists of an i7 6700 with 3.4 gigahertz. And as you can see, this processor is cooling by this huge and amazing full RGB Jonsbo CPU air cooler. And I have the Hyper X Predator 16 GB DDR4 with 3200 megahertz. You can't really see the motherboard because it's so small, but I got the Asus B250I ITX gaming motherboard with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. And finally, I have the Asus GeForce GTX 1070 Turbo graphics card. And I have additional design. As you can see, the front panel has the One Piece logo, and on the back panel I have Luffy. So before I end this video, you guys can take another look of this fun and powerful small form factor system. I hope you guys like this video, and once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you guys have any questions, please comment below. Thank you.